Hey everyone, welcome back to MNMM PT NAATI YouTube channel. This is Manmohan. In today's video, I am going to share with you all about the new skills profile that PTE has launched. In the previous video, I did explain to all of you about the changes, the experience of the exam, what's changed, what's not, few tips as well. In today's video, it's specifically going to be all about skills profile, which is replacing your enabling skills, and hopefully by the end of the video you guys will have a clear idea of what these skills profile are. And then if you give the exam in the new format now, and if you receive your score report, this is how you can read, or let's say this is how you can analyze for yourself that why did you lose marks and which topics you should be focusing more on. So I have prepared few slides which literally took me about 3 to 4 hours today just to compile them, do a bit of research, understand based on my students' exams that if they are getting these many marks, what was impacted and which topics made a major impact on these skills profile. So let me get this very first thing out of the way, which is your extended writing. It is literally just replacing your discourse marker. So previously we know that writing essay is entirely dependent upon your discourse marker. So if you end up getting, let's say, a full score in extended writing, it is something similar to your discourse marker. That means you did well in essay. But if you get less marks in your extended writing, that simply means either your essay structure was wrong, or maybe you missed some main ideas or something like that. But it is entirely related with writing essay only. Next thing that you get on your skills profile is your open response, speaking and writing, which simply refers to your open response, as in how did you respond in terms of the topics. So the topics that are impacted by this particular skill profile is your describe image, retell lecture, summarize written text and essay. So if you get less marks in your open response, speaking and writing now, these are the 4 topics which are the major contributors, and this is where you actually need to work on. Next is reproducing spoken and written language. This time reproducing, so we are not giving any response, but we are recreating, rephrasing that same stuff. So here the topics that are related could be read aloud, your repeat sentence definitely, and definitely summarize written text, because here whatever text is being given to us, we read and then we reproduce it. So that's why these 3 topics are the ones which you should be look out for. Also, this is purely based on my understanding and research of the students' exam that I've been through. So few topics could be here and there, but this video is just to give you a bit of a gist and an idea of these are the topics that you should be focusing more on if you end up getting less marks in these particular skills profile. And like I said at the beginning, extended writing is entirely related to your writing essay. So if you get less marks in that, you definitely need to work on your essay topic only. Short writing, as the name says, it's entirely related with your summarized written text. Extended speaking. Now extended speaking, as the name says, you have to speak your answer but in an extended way. So these are the 2 topics that are related to that. Describe image and retell lecture, because in both topics you look at an image and then you listen to a text, listen to some sort of a lecture or something, and then you have to speak continuously on that. And so that means you're extending your speaking. So if you get less marks in extended speaking, these are the 2 topics your entire focus should be towards. Short speaking was a bit of a trickier one for me to figure out. Definitely answer short questions have to be there because it's short answers, short speaking. And then another topic I could figure out was your repeat sentences. I'm not sure about any other topic if that is part of short speaking, but obviously I would be coming up with a lot more videos in the future where if I feel that read aloud is also part of short speaking, or maybe describe image, or maybe retell lecture, I'll definitely include that. But for now, my understanding is repeat sentences and answer short questions are the ones which are related with your short speaking. Next is multiple skills comprehension. As the name says, multiple skills, where 2 different skills are being involved. So here are the below topics that are related with this particular skills profile. Highlight incorrect words, highlight correct summary, reading plus writing fill in the blanks, summarize spoken text, listening fill in the blanks, and write from dictation. Now one thing, as I said in my previous video as well, Pearson hasn't changed the importance of the topics. So for example, if in the past write from dictation used to be extremely important, even now still the same thing applies. Write from dictation would be extremely important. So out of these 6 topics that you can see on your screen, the topics that you should be focusing more on should be your highlight incorrect words, reading plus writing fill in the blanks, summarize spoken text, listening fill in the blanks, write from dictation. Still, even though highlight correct summary is part of this skill, that is one such topic where you should not be putting a lot of effort towards, because it's anyways not worth it and it's not worth a lot of marks. And then last but not the least is single skill comprehension. As the name says, only one skill is being tested. So topics such as reading fill in the blanks, the most important. Topics such as reorder paragraph, multiple choice single answer, listening, reading both, select missing words. These are the topics where you only get marks for one module. Now, out of all these topics, if you're aiming for 79, reading fill in the blanks and reorder paragraph, these two topics should be your main priority. But if you're aiming for 65 or below, the only topic out of this entire list that you need to work on is your reading fill in the blanks. So the idea of this entire video was just to make you aware of what this skills profile is, so that if you have given the exam already, based on this video, you can kind of try to understand by yourself as to why did you lose mark in your other modules, and also to give you a better understanding of what's changed and what's not. Obviously, like I said, we would be coming up with a lot more videos in the future where whatever changes we get to know. Now, until now, there hasn't been any sort of information on the Pearson's official website. So whatever I've shared in this video is purely based on my research and my knowledge. So it could be, like I said, one topic here and there, but then that was the main understanding. I highly doubt it's going to change drastically, but then one topic here and there could be. So still nothing has been changed in terms of scoring. The important topics still remain to be important. The unimportant topics still remain to be unimportant. So do not change the way you're practicing. Keep practicing the same way. And like we always say, if you need some sort of one-on-one consultations with us, me or Mohit, 30 minutes or 1 hour, do message us on Instagram or Facebook and we can get in touch with you about the available slots and all that. Also, if you're preparing for your NAATI exam, we have got NAATI coaching going on at the moment. Also, if you want to grab the prediction file for NAATI, either Hindi, Punjabi or even Gujarati now, do message us and get in touch with us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box below. The name is literally M&MMPT NAATI. Search us there, click on the link in the description, get in touch with us and we can take it ahead. So thanks for watching. If you have any sort of questions, do leave them in the comment section below. We'll try our level best to answer all of you guys as quickly as possible. Also, if you want to see videos on something specific early on, do message us, do comment below that specific video that you would like to see, so that we can prioritize those videos first as compared to what we have designed and what we have planned and scheduled ahead. So with that, I'm done with this video. Have a great day and I'll see you guys in the next video.